Hey YouTube,
Hello,
today
YouTube.
we're gonna make a flaming beer bottle and see what happens. We've tried this before, but please don't try this. We have 6 large sparklers that we're gonna shove in this beer bottle.
Yeah, and this will get pretty darn hot. Trust me, we already tried it. Bursted.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. Just gonna take a while for them to light. Put them in the coals. There we go. Come on, come on.
Flaming bottle.
Oh,
Go, go,
shit.
go. Oh well. Who cares? Alright.
Cool.
Run! Okay. Beer bottle looks like it's getting bigger. Is it bigger?
It is bigger.
Oh my god. The flaming cocktail.
Dude, I wouldn't be that close to it if I were you.
Oh my god, that is big. Holy man. Cody,
Put that down,
put that back in the fire.
Put that back in the fire now.
Oh wow! No! Oh my god!
Okay. You done it, okay.
No, it's sick. It did it even better this time, guys. Oh man, that was just amazing.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Wow. Just awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome job, guys. This is what I call a good